I think that science has clearly proven that it's of great benefit to humanity, and it's important to communicate that to people in a way that makes clear to them that the value of truth is what brings value to people in general, because that's what science is based upon. Conveying that in stories as much as possible by those who are best at communicating, I think would go some of the way to restoring an understanding that science truly is beneficial to humanity writ large. Science can provide measures that are meaningful, that are consequential for human health, for example. So I think whenever we can bring science into an argument for deciding what policies we should adopt as a society, which will have multiple components. It will not just be scientific, but to have it based on at least that firm footing of what science can talk about, which is the truth about the situation, that's going to be imperative.